I know.
What?
Does it have glasses?
Yeah.
Alright, Joseph.
Yeah. My turn.
I won.
You won.
Yay.
Mommy, today my turn.
Alright. Does it have...
Tell her to say it.
Nope.
Put down the white hairs. No, white hair.
Hey Chuck, that was a sly move on your part. You know, to get us out here alone.
Tessa, the white, Sophia, the white hairs.
Huh?
That's all you put down.
We might end up ushering in the new year together.
Oh,
I
yeah.
bet you'd like that. Eh, Chuck?
No.
Whoever has white hair, put it down.
Chuck, you'll have to admit that.
If you're not going to play right, you can't play.
Sophia, put down the white hair.
For living,
They have white hair, you put it down.
keep
Put down
White.
white hair.
Don't leave your crayons in the sun. Use dental floss every day. Don't spill the shoe
Alright,
polish.
ask your next
Always
question.
knock before entering.
Tessa, listen.
Don't let the ants get in the sugar. Never volunteer to be a program chief.
No.
Always
No
get your
mustache.
first serve in.
Alright, so whoever has a mustache, put down. Who has mustache?
No.
Will those rules give me
He
a
has a
better
mustache.
life, Chuck? A better life and a fat dog.
That's a
Have you made
mustache.
any New Year's resolutions, Chuck?
That's a mustache.
Yes.
Mustache.
Know how I always dread the whole year?
Alright, ask another
This time
question.
I'm only going to dread one day at a time.
Come see the wide selection. Incredible offers at your
A what? A mouth? They all have
Yeah,
mouth.
mouth.
Sorry, that freaked you out.
Tessa,
All of it.
Okay, ask
that's
another
another
question.
question.
Eyeglass. Huh? Eyeglass.
Eyeglasses.
Eyeglass.
No, she said eyebrows. They all
Eyebrows? They all have eyebrows.
No, they don't.
Yeah. What? Glasses.
Glasses.
Nope.
Alright, so whoever has glasses, put them down, Sophia.
Put the glasses down. That was a bad question. Put the glasses down.
Why there's not that? There's not only
There's
like
only two.
two.
Put it down.
How many questions does she have left?
2 questions left.
We have a hat. We have a hat. Nope.
No hat. Put the hats down. That was a good question. Alright, you got one more question.
You have ears.
They all have ears, Sophia.
Ask it, do you have blonde hair?
You have black hair.
Yellow hair.
You have brown hair.
No. So put down all the other ones. Alright, you gotta guess which one.
Which one do you think it is?
Pick one, Sophia. Her? Sarah?
No.
Andy.
Andy.
You were close.
Close. My turn. My turn.
Alright, let's see if I can get it. Do you have brown hair?
Nope.
It's true. Start your free trial today.
Do you have white hair?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Do you have glasses?
Nope. Oh.
Do you have a mustache?
Yep.
Yep. Joshua. Oh no, that's a beard.
You lost it.
Yeah, I lost because you told me wrong.
Yeah. That's a beard.
No, a mustache is up here.
This
A beard is down here.
This guy.
Yeah, she told me wrong.
My turn, guys.